In this video, I'll show you how to add bullet points in Zoho Sheet. Even though Zoho Sheet still doesn't offer built-in bullets or numbered lists inside cells, there's a simple workaround you can use to create clean, organized, bullet-style text. Start by opening your browser and searching for a bullet point character. You will find plenty of options you can copy. Choose one you like and copy it to your clipboard. Now return to Zoho Sheet. Since bullets aren't supported directly in cells, the easiest way to build your list is by manually pasting the bullet symbol wherever you need it. Click inside a cell, paste the bullet character and type your text. For the next line, paste the bullet again and continue building your list. You can repeat this process for as many items as you need. If you want to keep things even more organized, you can also use the note feature. Go to the Insert menu, select Note, and paste your bullet symbol inside the note area. This lets you create a list style layout without cluttering the main cells. While this isn't automated list formatting, it's an effective and clean way to create bullet style lists until Zoho adds a native option. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more quick Zoho guides.